Rob Grimes with the IFPTA, and I'm here with Danny Manu of My Manu Click.
Of My Manu.
My Manu.
Yeah.
Okay. And so we have a earbud type of device, but it really is a lot more than that. Because we see earbuds all over here, right?
Absolutely.
So you want to explain to us what exactly this is?
Yes, this is My Manu Click, and this is the world's first truly wireless earbuds with live voice translation in 37 languages to improve and support people's life, and also create better music hearing experience for audiophiles.
Okay, now this isn't out yet. It's going to be out in February.
Absolutely.
All right, so here are the key words. 37 languages, live translation, okay? Done through an earbud. And by the way, the earbuds have 6-hour battery.
Absolutely.
6-hour battery, which is a lot longer than a lot of the earbuds that we've seen here at CES. So here's the thing. You know, we work in the hotel and restaurant industry, and we're always looking for applications of those things. Now, as you think about those two particular industries, they're global industries, right?
Yeah.
And one of the biggest problems they have, if you think about being across the counter of a quick service restaurant, is translation. So how do they solve it? Well, they solve it by putting out a menu board that has multiple languages that you can point at, right? If you think about somebody checking into a hotel or front desk, right? How do they solve that? I'm not exactly sure. They sit there and they look at the pin on the airplane or at the front desk that says what languages you speak, and then they go find somebody who actually can do it. Or they try to get you to just check in yourself, because then they don't have to deal with it at all, right?
Yes.
So these are international industries.
Yeah.
So let's just talk about some scenarios here. So we have 37 languages, and all we need is a smart device. And the way that it works is the translation is actually coming off the earbud.
Yep.
It's going through the smart device that communicates with the person.
Absolutely.
The person on the other side doesn't have to have a device on them, but they have to be communicating to you.
Yes.
So it could be WhatsApp, it could be Skype, it could be any number of things, right?
Yes, so we're going to make our application free, just like having a WhatsApp.
Free application.
Yes, so that people that haven't got the device can actually have the application to communicate with people that have got the device.
So if you're standing across the front desk from me or across a counter, the way that we would do this is I would have the earbuds in, which are right here. So they're really not something you're going to see. You're not going to see wires and things like that. I'm going to have these in, and I'm going to go ahead and you're going to have a conversation with me. Now I realize, I guess the conversation today needs to be through a device of some sort.
Absolutely.
But maybe there's a microphone there or something. We'll figure that one out, right?
Yeah.
Or a wireless speaker. We'll figure out how that one works, right?
Okay.
And I'm going to hear it in my language.
Yes.
And it's going to recognize, without me programming it, that you're speaking French to me.
Yes, that option is there. So for the food industries and the hotel industries, it's good I raise that topic, because since we made Click public, we've had so many industries, the medical field, the military field.
Has the food industry and hotel industry approached you?
We've had a couple of them. So we are now coming up with different solutions that will suit them as well.
So what'd they ask you for?
So now they want something that if someone wants their food cold or hot, they will understand and give that to that customer. So, and what we are coming up with is a device that will be a standard device on the counter. So all you have to do is just push a button and just communicate.
And then they can speak into
So
it.
they don't need any earbud or anything at all.
Okay, so that's exactly what we were talking about before, right?
That
it's going to recognize their language.
Absolutely.
And then give instructions to the person who has to check them in or take their order or something, right?
You got it right. So that will be a commercial solution for that industry.
Okay.
And this will be more as a personal gadget when you're traveling or when you're going to the restaurant and you want to communicate with people in different languages.
Well, now, there's been a couple other things that we talked about. One we did directly talk about, which was the idea that if you go to a conference today and you're in a hall where they have translation going on, that you actually can go out and have the speaker using the device, give people earbuds so that they're actually able to hear in their language the translation simultaneously.
Absolutely. So how...
And they register by doing a code.
Absolutely. So how that works is you have to have the person giving out the conference have to establish a code or create a unique code. This code will work like having a Wi-Fi code at the conference. So everyone coming to the conference will just input that code into the app and they are good to go. They could be sitting down and select what language they want to hear and everything will be presented to them in their ears.
Now, actually, if you think about it, one of the challenges that my industries have is workers who come from other countries that may not be their native tongue or don't speak English well or don't speak any language well, and they're in France and they're coming in from it, of getting instructions. So actually with this, it's not just about the customer communicating and being able to communicate with the customer, but it could be the employee as well. I could register myself as a Spanish-speaking employee, and therefore receive instructions to be able to bag and do more than just work the grill, right?
Absolutely.
And be able to do it because I'm hearing the instructions in the language that I choose to hear it in.
Yes.
So it's really the reverse opposite, right?
It's quite a lot. I mean, there's so many applications. That's why we decided to get the public involved when we were developing Click.
Right.
We actually went on Indiegogo, Kickstarter, just to see what the public want, what they
And
really...
then they give you these ideas.
Exactly, so that we can actually give them what they want.
But the key in this is the translation piece.
Absolutely.
Today,
and the music.
Okay, and the music. So I was actually going to go there. So the other side of it is when I take a look at the other earbuds that are here, okay, they're doing music, they're doing email, they're doing text message, they're doing, you know, health, fitness stuff.
Yeah.
Is this doing all of that, or are you focused mainly on the music and the translation?
This has got everything packed. So this Click presents oral notification. So if you were to get a text message whilst you're listening to music, it tells you who has texted you, and it can read your text message to you. And you can reply to your text message without actually looking at your phone.
Voice to text, and then translate it in the language too, right?
And send it
okay,
text
so let me
message.
make sure I got that one clear. So I get a message that comes in a specific language, it also is translating that, right?
Yes, that can be done.
Is it being done today? Or just voice today?
At the minute, we've got text recognition and text reading all in English. We haven't included different language in text yet.
Right. Now, the other application for this is anything that's using a call center. So if you've got a help desk going on, and of which we know that call center people and even remote order takers today, you know, are taking orders. They may not actually be physically in the unit. They may be working out of their house, right? If they're doing help desk and support. So if they have the headset on, they have the device, somebody calls in, the call is routed to them, they can take the call in whatever language and provide global support.
That can be done. And that is the main reason why we want to make the mobile application free as well.
Right.
So anyone can actually call using the mobile application.
Right.
By just giving them a code.
But in reality, we need this to come across some sort of digital network. So if they're calling from a regular phone or something, we need them to call into a Skype number or something like that so it gets into the network and comes across.
We'll figure out a way of accomplishing that.
Right, but that really is. So we have the idea of one-to-one with the customer. We have using employees who have different language skills of translating for them. Okay, we have order taking, we have call center. There's all kinds of things that can be done here. And it's all now wireless with a device that can last a whole shift, because most of the other devices are 3 hours or 2 hours, right? So it's 6 hours. Okay, then rechargeable and highly portable. So we're actually able to do things at table side and remote locations and stuff and communicate because we're carrying a standard generic phone device with us, right? So we're really able to take this with us.
And that can also charge your phone as well, just in case your phone is running out.
Right, and charge everything at the same time. That's good. Well, listen, Danny, it's been great talking to you. There's a lot of opportunity here. Wish you luck with this, and we'll see where it goes, and we'll see what the applications are for the future.
Thanks a lot. We'll launch it in February in Mobile World Congress. At the Mobile World Congress. That's where we'll make it live to the public.
And also, you can go ahead online and take a look at this at MyManu Click. Right?
MyManu.com.
And MyManu.com. And take a look at this as well. But really a cool idea, and we'll see where it goes. So thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for your time.
Great. Rob Grimes with the IFBTA, and thinking about new ideas and new emerging ideas here at CES, and this is one of them. Thank you very much.